So the first thing that you need to know before starting our project is how to hold your crochet hook. There is two types of holding your crochet hook. I'm gonna show you my favorite, and of course I'm gonna show you the other type. You can choose whatever you like. So the first is holding it like this. Just holding it like you're writing something, like a pencil or a pen. You're just holding like this and you just keep working with your yarn. So you can hold it like this. You just, if it's your first time to hold a crochet hook, you just grab your hook and start working as we're gonna go and build up our work in the next few chapters. So hold it as you want and see the difference, what you like and what you feel more comfortable on. So this is the first way to hold your hook, just like pen, like you're writing something. Okay, the second one, which is my favorite, I always do, is holding it like a knife. So we hold the knife like this, right? We hold and just cut our stuff. So holding the crochet hook like this. This is my favorite for me. I feel it's more comfortable and I can hold the yarn, hold the crochet hook and begin to work very, very like easily. So this is my preferred position. So that's how I'm gonna hold my crochet hook. So give it a test and see which position or which type of holding your hook is more preferred for you. And then let's go to the next chapter to show you how to make the first thing.